Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to make your Facebook account public. First of all, you can open the Facebook application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the menu option at the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on it, and here you will just simply scroll down. Now tap on settings and privacy, and now you can see the second option, that is privacy center. Tap on it. Now here you will see this type of page. Now you can tap on the privacy checkup box, and here now you can tap on name, and after a few seconds of loading this type of page will be open. Now you can tap on who can see what you share, and now you can tap on continue, and here you will see all of the information. You can just simply set all of the informations into public. You can now tap on only me, and here you will just simply select public, and you will just simply select all of the information into public. And this is the way you can make your Facebook public account. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.